Shmai pawb. Hello everyone, it's Lisa here from the Talk and Play team, and I'm going to be reading you a story about the little Saurus. There he is. Are we ready? No, 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 said little Saurus. Yes, said Daddy Saurus, it's time for bed. I want a story, said little Saurus as he put his pyjamas on. So Daddy Saurus told him a funny story. Ha 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 ha, laughed little Saurus as he jumped up and down on the bed. Daddy Saurus, said Mammy Saurus, you're supposed to be calming him down. Nighty night, little Saurus, said Daddy Saurus. I'm not tired, said little Saurus. What if I sing you a lullaby, said Mammy Saurus. Thought little Saurus, that might work. But it didn't. I've got a tummy ache, said little Saurus. So Mammy Saurus rubbed it better and said, now try to go to sleep. But my bed's all itchy, said little Saurus. Go to sleep, said Daddy Saurus. But said little Saurus. Sleep, said Mammy Saurus and Daddy Saurus. But I can't help it if I'm not tired, and I don't want to go to sleep because it's not dark outside. And anyway, I want a glass of milk, and there's a shadow on the wall, and I want another story, and I've got an itch. And anyway, my friend Whippersnapsaurus said if he can stay up all night long if he wants to. And anyway, why can't I stay up as long as Big Sister Saurus? Oh, I'm too hot, and my tummy hurts again, and nobody loves me. Hate school. And anyway, when Dinosaur's babysits me, she reads me hundreds and millions and trillions of stories and tells me lots and lots of funny stories and tickles me, and I love her. And I'm hungry, and I think there's something under my bed, and I've got a wobbly tooth. Can I get up? No, said Mummy and Daddy Saurus. It's not fair, said little Saurus. Oops, said little Saurus. I think I'll go to sleep now. That's not the end of it, because little Saurus waited until Mummy and Daddy Saurus were snoring. And then he snuggled in between them, and guess what? Guess what, everybody? He went straight to sleep. Nighty night. Good night, little Saurus. Off you go to bed. Bye, everybody. Hwyl fawr.